Guys, it rained only for 20 minutes, but that 20 minutes was very destructive in my village. In this video, I will be showing you that how much damage that 20 minutes of rain caused in my village. And yeah, a little bit fun because we have been waiting for the rain for almost 1 year, and uh, it is officially rain has been started. So yeah, we have been enjoying our monsoon, the monsoon season, right? So, yeah. Guys, I can see one mango fell down over there. It is a ripe mango, I guess. Should I go or not? And it seems like it's like a one-way trip because the place became very muddy. I don't know, should I go or not? Guys, I have been waiting for the rain for a very long time, and finally the rain has arrived. And right now the environment has changed drastically. Okay, I like to show you someone. They are really happy. These ducks are really happy right now. They're enjoying the rain. Lately my kitten has been eating a lot. He's becoming a little bit mischievous because I'm pampering him a lot. I love him a lot, more than any family member. Oh, hey, where are you going? Dude, I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you. Guys, destruction has been done in just 20 minutes. So when destruction happened in my village, so I will be showing you one by one.